My name is Erwin Stigter and I'm the Managing Director of Nist Control Systems. My parents started the company, so I already worked here from a very young age. And I had a break in between when I worked at the South African Bureau of Standards, working at the pump test facility. And then I came back again, and that was in 1997 up till now. What Nist Control does is we manufacture a relay that is designed for the manufacturing of electric induction motors. The products works by measuring what the motor is doing. So what we typically do is we measure the power consumption of the motor. So with that you will see what is the voltage, the current, the power factor, and from that you can already deduce a lot of what is happening. Also, we do data logging. So if a fault occurred, then the data can be extracted so that you can get a history of what happened. Well, the main benefit is that the motor that you're using will last longer. Most of the problems why a motor fails is if it overloads, and with a pump if it's running dry, and that can then be easily prevented. The data logging is also a feature that I haven't got. We've also got an input for external control. So let's give an example. If you want to keep your tank full and you have a float switch on your tank, that will then automatically automize the system and keep your tank automatically full. Then we've got a sequencer and scheduler. Say your pump is running on a solar system or your motor, you can then just allow it to run with the scheduler between 9 and 4 in the day. A sequencer we've brought in because one of the big problems is load shedding, and that you can then give a delay on start. Or if you've got a lot of motors on your electrical system, you don't want them to start up all at the same time. Target markets, farmers, and then there's also the mines and people on the plots and people in the cities with their boreholes. We've got remote access to your controller. So you can be in Cape Town or lie in your bed 3 o'clock in the morning, and you can go on your phone and switch your pump on and off. We've also got an app to set the controller with changing the settings. The Motorscope is actually a global name for different models. There we've got single phase and 3-phase models. So single phase we call the Uno, because Uno means 1 for single phase, and 3-phase is Trio. Trio means 3 for 3-phase. Then Uno is the relay alone, which can do from 0.37 to 2.2 kilowatt for the submersible motors. And Uno panels is the protection with the starter built into it as well. We've got our IO transceivers, so with that you can make a network on your farm to remotely switch your pumps on and off if you want to. On our website, which is www.nistcontrol.com, our office telephone number is 012 11 11 710. And okay, if they want to contact me, 082-8534-628. You can also contact me on WhatsApp on my cell phone number.